Yo, good morning. It's the dude in the box truck. It's Friday. I'm excited. Monday's Labor Day, so we're off. 3-day weekend, baby. Gonna get this in, get this done, get it loaded, and head on out. I'm not sure where we're going yet. We'll figure that out when we get there. It's gonna be a nice weekend, 3 days. Sorry, got caught up thinking about that. We loading up the partner's truck right now. I guess we're gonna split off and do our own separate thing. But that's going on his truck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 stops, it looks like. Wonder how many we got. Gotta go pick up the truck from Gainesville Truck Center. And then we're gonna come back and load up. I think it's only 3 stops plus the truck center, so 4. Made it to Gainesville Truck Center. Partner's getting the truck. We're gonna ride back. We got a mechanic that comes with us or to our office, and I guess he couldn't fix it, so he sent us up here. And then he tripped all the lights to get us up here, and now they don't know what to do to fix it because the lights aren't on. We got it. Heading back to the shop. Unless the light comes on, then we're gonna be heading back here. Rolling back to the shop. I seen 3 stops on the list before I left. But as always, card subject to change. Well, that's it. We got the 2 doors, the screens in the box, and then this sash and this tube. So that's 3 stops. It's a cool little house. Yes. I'm glad I get to see it actually done. Not done, but you know, close to being done. Let's see if the garage door is open on this side. If it is, I'm just gonna park right here. There's a little doorway open. We'll just park right here. Oh, is there something in the way? Oh yeah. You just hand it in to me. I'll just. Boom. Number 1 done. Y'all make a stop real quick. To the bank. You wanna know why? Because it's the first of the month. Cash some checks and come on. Welcome to Atlanta traffic, boys and girls. Never fails on a Friday. I see a porta potty. It might be us. That is not us. But they got it wrong. What is this one? Is this 150? It's 150. I might need to call this guy and make sure it's not 140. We made it. Stop number 2. These remodels are awesome because we can use the cart. This don't have a 4x4 mode.
This is fairly easy because it's just level, you know, just bringing it around.
Yes, sir.
Steps, no nothing. lean so it doesn't fall. If we get a brisk wind coming up with that hurricane, get the rest of it.
Boom. All right, that one's there. That one's got good enough lean. All right.
Wood inside.
We'll call it a day. Yes, sir. Wood in, clad out. Man, he could land his helicopter right here if he wanted to.
Thank you, Phil. I only love you for the day.
I only love you for today. Well, they didn't answer the door. Yeah, I see the truck back there. I guess we're just gonna put them on their front porch, I guess. Sounds good to me. Probably would have pulled forward if I'll try to knock harder when I get up here, like I'm the police or something. Cause they got lights on and all kind of stuff. I'm gonna knock again. It ain't nowhere near close to Easter, but I'm gonna call today a Good Friday. We didn't even put 8 hours in. It's gonna be nice. Get off early. Got our 3-day weekend. I won't be filming Monday because we'll be off. It's gonna be good, man. Enjoy it. Hang out with my family. Love it. It's Dude in the Box Truck. Thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for everything. We'll see y'all next week.